Give it to him.
Gavin.
Come on, can you swim?
Swim. Stop the boat. Alright. Gavin, be so careful. Don't get close to it. Okay, Dad.
Dad, just drive the boat.
It let go.
Of the towel. Okay, grab the towel, baby.
Be careful, be careful. The towel, get the towel, Gavin.
Where?
It's sinking. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Go slow.
Go slow. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, he's good.
He's on the ladder.
He's good. I think he knows what we're trying to do.
Are you recording Gavin too? Gavin, don't let it get too close.
I don't think he's gonna hurt Gavin.
Dad, maybe go a little bit slower.
Dad, go a little bit slower.
Okay, buddy.
Don't let it get too close to you.
This is so insane. Dad, is there someone you can get to over there? Can you go over there to the boat? To the bridge? No, to the bridge over there.
There's a guy coming down. It doesn't look injured. Maybe she said it got stung.
Yeah, if she said it could have hit something and then got stunned.
Gavin, don't trust it, okay?
Dad, go a little bit slower. If you can't, go a little bit slower. Yeah, if you... Oh, it's getting tired, I think. It's so tired.
Gavin, maybe try to flatten it out.
I'm trying.
Don't let it kill you.
Putting a lot of effort in. Oh, it's tired.
It's so tired.
Alright, ow.
Oh, Gavin, be careful.
It's okay.
Okay, can we stop?
Stop the boat for a
Dad,
second.
stop the boat. Dad, hold on. It's so tired.
I need. Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, move your arms down.
It's in my skin.
Okay. Has it let go?
Yeah, let go.
Let go of it, Gavin.
You just gotta grab
Brittany's gonna swim it over there.
You just gotta
Wait, can you just... Yeah, we got it. Just swim it over there.
Gavin, get some hydrogen peroxide.
Do we have hydrogen peroxide?
For what?
Gavin got clawed. Because he was just trying to grab onto him. We're saving a bird. This osprey got stuck in the water. We're just trying to move it to land. He got tired. I don't know. We called like the wildlife people, but they don't, there's nobody who can come out.